SanDisk introduces a surveillance-grade microSD card suitable for edge storage in IP cameras. Targeting commercial security systems, this card is designed to withstand continuous recording of high-resolution videos and images over long periods of time. Edge storage presents a flexible recording solution and eliminates the cost and need for an on-site DVR, NVR, or PC to record video. It can also provide redundancy in cases where connection with the network storage is lost and allow the system to optimize bandwidth usage. In surveillance systems, every recorded moment is critical, so high availability and long life are a must. The ongoing reliability of the memory card is crucial to ensure always-on storage and to lower the total cost of ownership. Continuously recording high-resolution videos over and over to the memory card puts accelerated stress on the memory system. As there are limits to how many times you can rewrite a memory card, installing the right one is critical. SanDisk has extensively researched and developed memory solutions to address endurance requirements specific to surveillance cameras. By working closely with our OEM customers, from system design to providing technical support for field deployments, SanDisk delivers products that drive value to end users. Use of the SanDisk high-endurance microSD card ensures that video and images are reliably captured by the network camera over a long period of time.